Welcome to NXT Gen, where we explore the latest innovations in technology. Today we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. It's time to dive into the world of the Apple Vision Pro. This remarkable headset is not just a virtual reality device, but a whole new concept. A spatial computer that keeps you connected to the physical world while immersing you in an extraordinary digital experience. So without further ado, let's unveil everything we know about the Apple Vision Pro. First things first, when can we expect this revolutionary headset to hit the shelves? Apple has stated that the Vision Pro will be available early next year, suggesting a spring 2024 release. However, hold on to your seats, because there's a twist. The initial launch will be limited to the United States, with other countries having to wait until later next year. The anticipation is building. Now, let's talk about the price. The Apple Vision Pro will start at $3,499, a significant investment no doubt. However, keep in mind that this is just the starting price, and additional costs may apply if prescription lenses are required. Unfortunately, Apple hasn't revealed the international pricing details yet. But hey, you know that amazing technology often comes with a price tag. Before we go into the details of this headset, why not hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to always stay notified when we post new videos. When it comes to design, Apple has meticulously prioritized both style and comfort in the Vision Pro headset. The device features a custom aluminum alloy frame that not only exudes a sleek and modern aesthetic, but also serves a functional purpose. This frame is intelligently designed to curve around your face, ensuring a perfect fit for each user and enhancing the overall wearing experience. Apple understands that a comfortable fit is crucial for extended use, and they have gone the extra mile to address this. The Vision Pro comes with a range of options to ensure a personalized fit. Apple offers various sizes and shapes of the soft textile light seal, which helps to block out external light and improve immersion. This customizable light seal helps users find the perfect balance between comfort and light isolation, allowing for an optimal augmented reality experience. In addition to the light seal, the Vision Pro features flexible straps that can be easily adjusted to achieve a secure and snug fit. These straps provide stability during usage, preventing any discomfort or slippage. Apple has also taken into account the diversity of head sizes and shapes by offering different sizes of cushioned headbands. Users can choose the appropriate headband size that suits them best, or even swap out headbands for different styles. Apple recognizes the need of individuals who wear glasses and has taken steps to cater to their requirements with the Vision Pro headset. To address vision correction, Apple has collaborated with Zeiss, a renowned optics company, to develop custom optical inserts. These custom optical inserts are specifically designed to provide personalized vision correction for users with prescription glasses. The inserts can be easily attached to the Vision Pro's lenses using a magnetic system. It's important to note that these custom optical inserts are an additional accessory and come at an extra cost. When ordering the Vision Pro headset, users will need to provide their prescription details to ensure the inserts are accurately customized to their specific vision requirements. The Apple Vision Pro goes beyond personal entertainment and introduces built-in communication features, transforming it into a powerful tool for collaboration and communication. These features enable users to connect with others in virtual spaces, share experiences, and work together seamlessly, regardless of physical distance. This opens up new possibilities for remote collaboration, virtual meetings, and immersive teamwork. By leveraging the Vision Pro's capabilities, users can engage in virtual collaborations that feel as natural as being physically present, fostering productivity and enhancing communication in various professional and social contexts. The Apple Vision Pro runs on a customized operating system called Spatial OS. This operating system is designed to seamlessly integrate the virtual and physical worlds, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. With Spatial OS, you can effortlessly navigate between virtual environments, applications, and real-world interactions. The Apple Vision Pro showcases impressive technical capabilities that contribute to its exceptional performance. At the core of this headset's power is the M2 processor, Apple's latest generation chip specifically designed for high-performance computing. The M2 processor ensures fast and efficient processing of data, enabling smooth and immersive augmented reality experiences. In addition to the M2 processor, the Vision Pro features a new R1 chip. While specific details about the R1 chip are not provided, it likely serves as a dedicated component to enhance certain aspects of the headset's functionality, such as image processing or sensor integration. To deliver a comprehensive tracking experience, the Vision Pro is equipped with 12 cameras, strategically placed throughout the headset. These cameras work together to capture the user's surrounding and enable advanced computer vision capabilities, such as object recognition and motion tracking. This allows for precise tracking of the user's head movements and enhances the immersion and realism of augmented reality content. To further enhance the tracking accuracy and overall performance, the Vision Pro incorporates 5 sensors. These sensors likely include an accelerometer, a gyroscope, magnetometer, and possibly additional environmental sensors. The Vision Pro is equipped with 6 microphones, which are strategically positioned to capture high-quality audio. These microphones enable crystal-clear voice input and enable immersive spatial audio experiences, enhancing overall sensory immersion. The headset also comes equipped with 2 ultra-high-resolution displays, one for each eye. The combined resolution of these displays amounts to an astonishing 23 million pixels. With such a high pixel density, the visuals rendered by the Vision Pro are incredibly sharp, vibrant, and lifelike. Each eye essentially experiences a 4K display, resulting in a level of detail and clarity that enhances the realism of augmented reality content. Whether you're exploring virtual environments, interacting with digital objects, or enjoying multimedia content, the Vision Pro's displays provide a visually stunning experience that truly immerses you in a virtual world. Enjoying so far? Well, leave a comment telling us your thoughts on this upcoming headset, and whether you're considering getting it. Beyond the impressive display capabilities, the Vision Pro takes your auditory experience to the next level, with personalized spatial audio. The headset utilizes audio pods, which are small speakers or drivers positioned strategically around your head. These audio pods take into account the unique geometry of your head and ears, allowing for precise and personalized sound localization. As a result, sounds are perceived as coming from specific directions and distances, creating a 3-dimensional audio experience. This spatial audio technology enhances the immersion and realism of virtual environments, as sounds blend seamlessly with the visuals, making you feel like you're truly present in a virtual space. That wraps up our coverage of the Apple Vision Pro headset. We hope you're as excited as we are about this groundbreaking device. Stay tuned for more updates on NXT Gen as we continue to explore the latest in technological advancements. If you're interested in more upcoming headsets, make sure you check out our video about the MetaQuest 3, where we gather all the rumors and announcements in one video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enter the world of NXT Gen.